Simple lace free knitting pattern tutorial. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to share how to knit this beautiful lace pattern. I used it in my linen knitted top. It is really nice and simple to learn. Let's go. Here is the diagram of the knitting pattern. You can take screenshot, or I will leave the link in the description where you can download if you need it for later. As you can see, the pattern repeats 6 stitches plus 1 stitch for symmetry, and it is 8 rows high. I'm planning to knit another sweater with differing yarn, so I just want to make a swatch, and I decided to show you how to knit it. In my case, I took 51 stitches, so it's 48 for 8 repeats plus 1 for the symmetry, and 2 are the side stitches, which I don't count, but they are there. Row number 1, I slipped the side stitch, and my pattern says it's 1 knit stitch, then it's yarn over and 2 together with the left leaning slant. What I do in this case, I slip knit twice, slip knit twice, put it back on the left hand needle, and I knit through the back loop, and this way this left leaning decrease looks neat. The next knit stitch, and now it's classic decrease, 2 stitches together, right leaning decrease, and yarn over. This is our 1 repeat. Now we start over. We see the next comes again, knit stitch, yarn over, left leaning decrease, slip knit twice, put it on the left hand needle and knit through the back loop, knit. Now the right leaning decrease is 2 stitches together and yarn over. Now we have 2 repeats, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this way we continue until end of the row. Depends how many stitches you cast on. Again, knit, yarn over, slip knit twice, put it back on the right hand needle and knit both through the back loop, yarn over and knit 2 together, yarn over. So we have 3 repeats already, and this way knit, yarn over, left leaning decrease, knit 2 together, yarn over, and this is all the repeat for the first row. So we finished our first row. At the moment you can't understand anything, of course, but it will come. Now I'm on the purl row, which is row number 2, and in row number 2 I just purl all the way. There is my yarn over, purl it. So basically everything, all stitches are purled. The row number 3 is exactly like the row number 1. So this is my side stitch. So exactly like row number 1. Knit, yarn over, slip knit twice, put back on the left hand needle and knit 2 together through the back loop, knit 1, knit 2 together. I usually help here as the second stitch, so it's easier to grab. So knit 2 together and yarn over. And I will show you one more time. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1 stitch knitwise, second stitch knitwise, put it back on the left hand needle and knit both through the back loop. Knit 2 together, it's very little bit funny to knit on the camera. Knit 2 together and yarn over, and this way we knit until finish of the row number 3. Row number 4 is a purl row, so all row numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers are only purl rows. I will not come back to the purl rows anymore. You just remember that you have to purl all the wrong side rows. Okay? Row number 5. Just slip the first edge stitch. We don't count it in the repeat, so now we start the repeat now. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and left leaning decrease, slip 1, slip second, put on the left hand needle and knit through the back loop. This is our repeat for row number 5, and I will show you one more time. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and left leaning decrease, slip, slip, put it back on the left hand needle and knit through the back loop. And in this pattern continue until the end. The row number 6 will be purl row, so we purl and I come when I have on the row number 7. The row number 7 is exactly like the row number 5. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and the left leaning decrease. Again, I will show you one more time. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and left leaning decrease. And this way our one repeat is almost done. We just finish until the end, and the row number 8 will be a purl row. After finishing the 8 rows, it looks like this. It is very pretty also on the wool yarn, as I have here. After I knitted one more repeat of the pattern, so it's 2 repeats in height. It looks like this. I like how it looks, so I will use it in my next garment from this lamb's wool. And this is the back. And this is how the pattern looks on the linen yarn. I used it on the upper part of my knitted top, and few of subscribers who watched the video about how to shape a perfect armhole also asked to show how I do the neckline. So in the next video I will explain you how to calculate a round neckline. It's pretty simple, and I will show you how I do it on the swatch I just made, and you will get the general idea, and you will be able to knit a round neckline on any garment yourself.